Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn these eyebrows to these brows. So the other day I made a post on Instagram about my favorite eyebrow product, and so today I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you guys how I get my feathery brows, because for a long time I thought, since I had really light, sparse, almost not there eyebrows, that I would never be able to have the feathery eyebrow look, and that's just not true. If I can have feathery eyebrows, then you can have feathery eyebrows, and I'm going to show you guys how I accomplish that. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my everyday feathery eyebrows, then just keep watching. So the first product we're going to be using today is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I'm going to be using a new one today because my old one is almost out and I don't want it to like run out in the middle of this video. So here's my old one and here's the new one. So my old one, that's as far as it will go up. That's it. It's just a tiny, tiny little nub. I'm probably not going to get a lot more brows out of that. There's e.l.f. behind me. Has that much product in it. So as you guys can tell, I got a lot of use out of my old one. Then the other two products I'm going to be taking are the NYX The Brow Glue and then the Revolution Soap and Care Brow Soap. You will not need all three of these. These are just my two absolute favorite brow gels. So you'll just want a brow pencil and then your favorite brow gel. And I'm going to show you why I like both of these. And I've been leaning more towards this one lately, but this is still really good. And I'm going to show you guys why. Let me zoom you in. Alright, so starting with my bare brows. They look so sad. Preferably your brow pencil will have a spoolie on the other side. I need a mirror. I can't see anything if I don't have that. Then you're going to run your spoolie through your eyebrow, upward and out. Then what I like to do is draw a line underneath my eyebrow to get the shape so that I don't make any weird flicks below my eyebrow. Once you've done that, it's time to start flicking sort of eyebrow hairs. I'm not the best at this part, but I don't have a lot of eyebrow hair, so I'm pretty much just trying to make it look like I have eyebrow hairs. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, using a new one of these is a little bit hard because I'm noticing that it's like sort of turning down, like it's jiggling and it's like going down as I'm trying to use it, and it's not like that on the old packaging, and I'm not a fan of that. I'm not gonna lie, it's just so wiggly. I also like to run my spoolie through it to really get the product sort of blurred a little bit so it doesn't just look like lines. I'm gonna take NYX The Brow Glue. This is particularly good because it's not like tacky or anything. It is very like stringy and seems very much like glue, but it's not tacky, and it really does separate the brow hairs, coat them, make them look fantastic, and really holds them in place all day long. I will say one sort of downside to this product is that it was clear. As you guys can see, it is not clear anymore because like brow product sort of gets in there, and so the color of it kind of changes, which does look a little bit gross, but I promise this product is really good and looks really nice on the brows. Now I'm going to do the other brow, and I'm just going to do the same thing I did on the other side with this, and then I'll show you guys what I like so much about the soap brow. brow soap, first you're going to have to get it wet. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. I'm going to take your spoolie and run it through that. Just look at how fluffy they are. Like, oh my goodness. So at this point, my brows, I will wait for them to dry, and then I will go back over them with the brow pencil just to make sure there are no weird, like, sparse areas. And also, I've got to say, I wasn't a fan of the smell of this brow soap, but if you mix it with the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist, this is an amazing smell combination, and I live for it. So far, which one do you guys like better? I feel like overall they give the same sort of results. This one won't feel as stuck down as this one does. And I think this one gives it a little bit more of a softer look, whereas this one seems more defined. And that's it. That's how you get feathery brows when you don't really have much brows. I mean, look at how much better I look with actual eyebrows. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish my makeup and then we'll finish up this video. So how do you guys think I did with my eyebrows? I hope that this video was helpful for some of you that may have, you know, very light colored eyebrows, or maybe you just have very sparse eyebrows. I know for a lot of people it's just a matter of throwing in a brow gel because they've got big, bushy, beautiful brows, but not all of us are blessed with those big, bushy brows. Some of us have very little to work with. But I think that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did find it helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below if you would use any of these products, if you've tried any of these products. Like, I want to know. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil is just my absolute favorite brow product ever. I'm so glad that I tried it out. It's only $2, which is amazing. I post new videos every single Saturday, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye! Don't forget to check out my nails. I will link the polish down below. Beetles gel polish, of course.